we're gonna start by cleaning my room and just getting everything ready. So let's go. Done and ready for the 4th of July. I'll show you guys my fit in a second. So I have this super cute little skirty skirt on, this cute little sweater because it's gonna be hot, it's California. And then I DIY'd these little bow ribbons in my hair. And then I did some red, white, and blue makeup. And yeah, this is my fit for today. Now, Ben and I are a little bit in a hurry because we need to make desserts for the party that we're going to tonight. And Ben already got started. You guys saw a little bit, like some snippets of what he was doing. This is one of the pies. We're gonna make another pie right now. But I'm gonna get started on the brownies that we're gonna be making. So let's get ready for that. My favorite is this one, so I'm excited to make them. Let's get started. We're gonna make this milk chocolate brownie mix. Water is life. Okay. Show you guys our progress. We have these guys. This is brownie down here, and then this is cheesecake. We're about to put it into the oven, and then we have more brownies cooking down there, and then both of our key lime pies are in the refrigerator cooling down. So yeah, I hope that the top one cools down a little bit so that by the time my parents come home we can try it. I think if we go over here to my room though, we have a sleeping little baby.
Are you gonna do the frosting right now, or?
It's the only one that matters to me.
Yes.
Decided what we're gonna have for breakfast. Canes. Sorry, you guys cannot see me. I was looking at my kitty cat and he was just cuddling with me and Ben, and I was like, oh my goodness, I'm taking you with us. So right now he's waiting to be harnessed up And then I'm gonna take him with us to go to Cane's. Okay. We got home after taking Meow Meow with us. This is Ben's plate. We got mac and cheese, very exciting. And then this is my plate. We're gonna munch, get ready, and then head out to the party. Party time. There's my dad. There's Ben. My mom is with the whipped cream. So ready for the party. I'm so sorry, y'all. I forgot to film, but we are at my friend's house and we're having the party. This is how they decorated their front door. It's super cutie. There is fireworks going on everywhere though. Look at that sunset though. You guys can hear them. Ben and I are planning on going to Disney around like 9 p.m. just so that we can get a good spot in downtown Disney. So let's go see what the plan is. We are on our way to downtown Disney, but oh my goodness, it sounds like a war zone. I'm gonna be videoing the drive. The neighborhoods are actually worse than like the main roads, which makes sense. But from what I've learned in my understanding is that you can't.
This road,
Oh yeah, that neighborhood. You can't have fireworks. You can't do fireworks. You can't.
not like the huge ones.
Those are huge ones.
The ones we're seeing are huge, but you could do
Like sparklers. Yeah, you can do like sparklers, and then the ones that like. You hear that? That sounds like a bomb. That's not little. That's everything but little. We are all home, you guys. Took off my lashes, which is why I look just a tad bit crazy. But I'm gonna go change, take off this makeup, and then I'll meet you guys